Circle. We know that the shape of this is a circle. So what is the use this circle in our daily teaching project? Here in the mid of that, this is the center. From this center we can show this is a
radius.
this is a your this is a your radius, this is your diameter, बरोबर. And from simultaneously you can show the circumference. We can use the circumference. Just a minute. You can see the circumference. Circumference means the only border line. Student, they are not understood this part. They know the circumference means the including this part. Circumference means the this part. Okay, and the area of a circle means the inner part. Okay, with the help of that we can prove the different part of a circle, like this a 2 radius, and this part is the arc. So we can collect the length of a arc with the help of 2 radius and this, and this we can find out the what is the theta value. Okay, here we can having the 0 and here we are having the 60. So theta value is 60. Sometime it may be different. So what is the value? Here we can having the 120. So in this way we can calculate the your length of a arc. Then the area of a sector. Area of sector means this part. In that time we can also having the same thing, means we are having the angle theta. So but what is the difference between the area of a sector? Area of sector means we can having the inner part, and the length of arc means only this part. So this we can explain. Okay, but sometime the student, they having a doubt their values. Values means the pi value. How can we find out the pi value? I show you. The pi value is the, we are having a circumference and also the diameter. Okay, means we can having the formula. Pi value is equal to circumference upon diameter. But sometime they can ask how can we can prove this one. This is the right or wrong. So in this way can whatever the measure is coming from, we can having collect this thread. We can having a this measure of a thread. So this we can measure it. We can measure like this. This is up to the 12. Again from 12, and after this is a 12 means 36, and this is up to the if I can total this we can get how much we can get 37.750. And what is the diameter? A diameter is a 12. Means if we can divide these two, what we get? 3.14. This is the pi value. In this way we can prove this value is a correct. Okay, and second, all of you know that the properties of diameter, the properties of diameter, with the help of diameter, if we can form any triangle, that triangle should be a right angle triangle. Okay, but the student asks, how can we can show this? So we can having the use of this. Here a 0 and here is a 90. We can prove this. Oh, this is the 90. Okay, and in a 90. Okay, means in a triangle, a one angle is a 90. What with the remaining? They are having the what with the remaining. So in that time it may be a 60 or it may be a some another. Let me check that, which is having the next one. Here we having the 0 and this may come across 0 and it may be a, this is 90. But what about this angle? We can check. This angle is a 0. This angle is a 60. This is a 60. So that time it is a 30. So this angle be a 30. So in this way 30 60 90 triangle. Okay. So that time one question is there. If your radius is 12. In a case of 90, if your angle is 90, so this is a hypotenuse. Okay. If your hypotenuse is 12 and this angle is 30. This angle is 30. What is the side opposite to 30?
1/2 hypotenuse.
1/2 upon hypotenuse. Means 1/2 into 12, that we get a 6. But is this correct or wrong? This is correct or wrong? How can we can show that? So from this here 6. This is correct. So this is the correct. Now what about the same thing? 60. What is 60? Side opposite to 60. Side opposite to under root of into a hypotenuse. So 3/2 into 12. So this get cancelled 6.
Under root 3.
So 6 into under root 3. So but what is the value of 3?
Under root 3.
What is the value of under root 3? 6 into 1.732. Okay. So this is correct or not? So here we can measure it. Here we can get a 10 point something. 10 point something. If we can multiply by this, how much we get? 6 to the 12, 6 3 the 18, carry 9, and 6 7 the 42, 43, and 4, and 6 1 the 6 1, 10, means 10.392. So this value is 10.392. So in this way we can find out we can prove that this is correct or wrong. Okay. So and secondly, sometime they are having this measure. This is also form a 90 degree. Same. But what is the difference in previous and this one? There is a difference of angle. Which angle we can find out from this? Here we can find out a angle.
45.
This
See.
is equilateral, na sir, also.
Just a minute. This is a 45.
Five.
Okay. So what is the? This angle is 45. This angle is
40.
also a 45.
45.
And this is a 90.
90.
So this is also sides are equal. So isosceles
Triangle.
triangle. Okay. But what is the 45 value? Sin 45 is
1 upon under root 2.
into a hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse.
Correct? So 1 upon 2 into hypotenuse, we see this 12.
Under root, sir.
12. So it is not possible. So 12.
Into.
So we can.
हाँ समझ गए.
Okay.
Yes.
So this get 12 in our 2.
Yes.
So
6 under
6.
under root 2.
What is the value of 6 into 1.412?
2. Okay.
Okay. 6 into 412. How much we get? 6 to the 12. 6 1 ja 6.
Seven.
And 6 4 ja 24. 6
6 dot 12 sir तो 1
हाँ.
जहाँ कैरी 1 होगा 6 1 जब 1 मिलाएंगे 7 है.
हाँ,
7.
yeah. And
6
second
4 जा 24 का
Tw-
4.
2
Carry
and
one.
6
1
6
जा
1 ja 8.
Eight हो जाएगा.
So 8 6 4 7. So this value is there or not? We can check it. Yeah, this is also a comma same. Mean this value is come to the same correct value. In this way, we can show the what is the value of a. बंद कर दो मैडम, बंद करो वीडियो, बंद करो, मैं बताता हूँ.